Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Singer 4423 sewing machines that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Singer Heavy Duty 4411 sewing machine. This is the budget-friendly option in the lineup. Priced at $209.99. Yet it packs a punch with its 69 stitch applications and 50% more power for tough fabrics like denim and canvas. The machine is designed for heavy-duty use with a durable metal frame that ensures stability and long-lasting performance. Whether you're sewing home decor items or working on fashion garments, the 4411 offers versatility for both heavy and lighter fabrics. Performance-wise, the 4411 boasts an impressive sewing speed of up to 1,100 stitches per minute, making it perfect for quick project turnarounds. It features a 4-step buttonhole process, which is functional but less convenient than the 1-step buttonhole found on premium models. The top drop-in bobbin system with a transparent cover is a great addition, ensuring smooth operation without interruptions. While this machine is ideal for budget-conscious users or those starting their sewing journey, it may lack some advanced features found in higher-end models, like an automatic needle threader or extensive stitch options. Pros include affordability, durability, and excellent speed, but cons include the limited stitch variety and manual buttonhole system. Overall, the 4411 is a solid choice for basic and heavy-duty sewing needs. At number 4, we have the Singer Heavy Duty 4432 sewing machine, priced at $239.99. This model steps up the game with 110 stitch applications, offering a wide range of options for decorative, stretch, and basic stitching. It's equipped with a 1-step buttonhole system for easy buttonhole creation and features a powerful motor with enhanced piercing power, enabling it to handle thicker fabrics like leather and canvas with ease. The full metal frame adds stability and durability, making it a reliable workhorse for serious sewing enthusiasts. One standout feature of the 4432 is its extra-high sewing speed of up to 1,100 stitches per minute, which makes it ideal for larger projects or long seams. The top drop-in bobbin system with a clear view cover ensures jam-free operation and allows you to monitor thread levels effortlessly. Additionally, the reverse stitching lever enables you to reinforce seams, adding a professional touch to your creations. While the 4432 offers advanced features compared to the budget 4411 model, its slightly higher price point may not justify the upgrade for casual users. Pros include its versatility, high speed, and durability, while cons include its heavier build and lack of automatic needle threading. This machine is perfect for intermediate users looking to expand their creative horizons with more stitch options and advanced functionality. Coming in at number 3 is the Singer Heavy Duty 4423 sewing machine, priced at $219.99. This model strikes a balance between affordability and functionality, offering 97 stitch applications that include stretch, decorative, and basic stitches. It also features a 1-step buttonhole system, making it easy to create consistent and professional buttonholes. The built-in automatic needle threader is a game-changer, saving time and reducing frustration, especially for users with limited dexterity. Designed with a heavy-duty metal frame and stainless steel bedplate, the 4423 is built for stability and durability. Its powerful motor provides 60% more piercing power, enabling it to sew through thick seams and heavyweight fabrics with ease. At 1,100 stitches per minute, the machine delivers high-speed performance, making it perfect for quick turnarounds on larger projects. The 4423 is ideal for users who want a machine that's versatile yet straightforward to use. Pros include its automatic needle threader, durability, and excellent speed, while cons include fewer stitch applications compared to higher-end models. Overall, this machine offers great value for its price and is perfect for both beginners and experienced sewists looking for reliability and ease of use. At number 2, we have the Singer Heavy Duty 4432 Black Edition sewing machine, priced at $239.99. This stylish black model combines high performance with aesthetic appeal. It offers 110 stitch applications, including stretch, decorative, and basic stitches, giving you plenty of options for creative projects. The one-step buttonhole system simplifies buttonhole creation, while the built-in reverse lever lets you reinforce seams for added durability. The 4432 Black Edition features a full metal frame, ensuring skip-free sewing and long-lasting durability. Its powerful motor provides enhanced piercing power, making it suitable for heavy fabrics like denim and canvas. The top drop-in bobbin system with a clear view cover prevents thread jams and makes it easy to monitor your thread supply. With a sewing speed of up to 1,100 stitches per minute, this machine is built for efficiency and speed. The sleek black design adds a touch of modernity, making this model a standout in any sewing space. Pros include its stylish appearance, high-speed performance, and versatility, while cons include its slightly heavier weight and higher price point compared to similar models. This machine is ideal for advanced users who value both function and form. Finally, at number 1, we have the Singer Heavy Duty 4452 Sewing Machine, priced at $249. This premium model is the ultimate choice for sewing enthusiasts who demand top-notch performance and versatility. With 110 stitch applications, including stretch, decorative, and basic stitches, the 4452 provides endless possibilities for creative projects. The one-step buttonhole system ensures precision and convenience, while the built-in automatic needle threader saves time and eliminates frustration. The 4452 is built for heavy-duty use, featuring a full metal frame and stainless steel bedplate for stability and durability. Its enhanced piercing power and high-speed stitching of up to 1,100 stitches per minute make it perfect for thick fabrics and fast-paced projects. One standout feature is the included accessory kit, which comes with 6 presser feet and heavy-duty needles, providing everything you need to tackle advanced sewing tasks. While it's the most expensive option on this list, the 4452 offers unmatched value for experienced sewists who need a reliable, high-performance machine. Pros include its advanced features, durability, and included accessories, while cons include its premium price point. If you're looking for a machine that can handle anything you throw at it, the 4452 is your best bet. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.